Now let us know how to add vehicle fuel in detail. Initially go to the transport, go to the vehicle fuel. Coming to vehicle number, here we have to select the particular vehicle number in which we want to add the fuel details. Right now I am selecting this one. This is the vehicle fuel screen. By using this screen only we can add the fuel details. We can view the fuel details by clicking on the view icon. See. And we can update the fuel details by clicking on the edit icon. See, right now I am updating diesel rate. At final click on the update button. See, we had successfully updated the data and we can search the fuel quantity in the search area. See, like this. And we can add fuel by clicking on the add vehicle fuel button. Coming to date, here we have to select the date on which we are fill the fuel in the vehicle. Coming to reading, it means how much the reading is before we fill the fuel. Coming to quantity, it means how much the quantity fuel we are filling. Coming to diesel, it means diesel rate per liter. Coming to amount, it automatically calculated when we give quantity and diesel. At final click on the submit button. See, we had successfully added the fuel details. This is the process how we add the vehicle fuel.